Hey guys, welcome back to another Ignis Quick Tips. Today we're going to look at maximizing your sound with a little bit of maximizing chorus effect from the bass effects in your FL Studio. So let's check out how to do this and what it's going to do for your sound. So over here, you're going to come over here, you're going to look inside of plugin presets and you're going to see effects. You're going to come into effects, you're going to go all the way down to Fruity Delay 3. You're going to go ahead and grab the chorus from here, and then you're going to drop it onto whichever mixer track that you're trying to improve. So I'm just going to dump mine right here, and now you can see the chorus effect is loaded. And just another quick tip here, guys, don't use this one, use this one. So much better. It actually will still apply the effect. Many reasons, but use the one on the left, not the one on the right. Okay, next one that you're going to need is to come down into Fruity Multiband Compressor. And we're going to go ahead and grab, wow, my English is disappearing. We're going to go ahead and grab maximize, boom, drop that into there, boom, and now we're set up. That's it. That's the whole purpose here, guys. But what it's going to do is it's going to allow harmonization, and it's also going to boost up the extra layers of the track. So if you guys didn't know how to do this before, what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the effects here and here. So this is where I've actually done it before, and I've even set it up here just to make it sound as good as it can. So as you can see, I've just reduced the actual amount. So first off, I'm going to play it obviously with the effects turned off so you can hear it raw. And a quick thank you to PV Wolfgang for sending in this track to me to allow me to play with it a little bit. He has got a mastered version. He will be putting that out, I'm sure, in the future. But for now, this is his track. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this little dot here. Or this little switch, should I say, rather than dot, and that's just going to turn on these two effects that we've set up. And as you can see, these are the only two in play here. I haven't put any more magic anywhere else, but this is what it's going to do. Turn it off, turn it back on again. Awesome. So there you go, guys, a great way to add a little bit of harmony and depth to your sounds. This is going to sound great with vocals, FXs, risers, any of those sort of techniques. You guys like what you've seen today, thank you very much. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like and subscribe and all that, and we'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.